In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Shopify store permanently. Before we start, a quick note to help you avoid headaches later. Once you deactivate, your storefront goes offline and your subscription stops. Consider exporting your products, orders, and customer lists, and review any third-party apps or domains you might want to cancel or transfer separately. Those aren't additional steps for this process, just smart housekeeping before you proceed. First, open your browser and go to the Shopify website. In the top right corner, click the Login button, select your Shopify account, and sign in. If you manage more than one store, make sure you choose the exact store you want to close so you don't make changes to the wrong one. When you land in your Shopify dashboard, look to the lower left and click Settings. This opens your store's administrative settings, where you can manage billing and plan details. In the settings area, find the left panel and click Plan. This section shows your current plan, billing cycle, and options related to your subscription. On the plan page, click Cancel Plan. Shopify will guide you through the deactivation flow. When prompted, choose Deactivate Store. You'll be asked to select a reason for closing. Pick the option that best reflects your situation. This helps Shopify understand why you're leaving and may also surface helpful resources, but it won't stop you from closing. Next, click Continue. You may see reminders about outstanding invoices, app charges, or domain settings. Review these notices carefully so you aren't surprised by any final charges or service interruptions. If you rely on any data, make sure you've already saved what you need because access to certain parts of your admin may be limited after deactivation. At this point, take a moment to make sure you are final with your decision. Closing your store ends your subscription and takes the site offline. If that's exactly what you want, proceed to the final confirmation screen and click Cancel to complete the process. This confirms that you're canceling your plan and deactivating the store. Once done, your store is closed and billing stops. If you ever decide to return, you can typically log in and choose a new plan to reactivate, but availability of data and settings can vary, so it's best to have your exports and backups in place before you deactivate. And that's it. Straightforward, secure, and complete.